Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our weekly analysis. It's Sunday, and if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. Just know that we actually do this analysis almost every day, except on Saturday. But today it's a weekly analysis. Before we continue, guys, we are still on that special. You can discount yourself. You can see the normal prices there. You can see the normal prices. So actually, I'm just waiting for you. Those who actually want to join, you can see that the normal prices there, it's actually 150 for 6 months, 250 for 12 months, 350 for lifetime. So what I'm giving you here is you have the chance just to say, Kenzo, I don't really have the exact amount, but I can pay this much. Then talk to me and be part of the team. So here is the QR code that you can scan, or you can just WhatsApp me here if you want to be part of the team. Also the mentorship, yes, 12 months mentorship. If you want to learn and create your own signals, then you can also talk to me and say, Kenzo, I have this much. What do you think? I think you will never get that anyway. Anyways, you can just try to be fair. So because I'm also trying to also help you. So let's go straight to our analysis as quick as possible. It's weekend. People, they need to go to church, or maybe they are already back. Some they are already back. Anyways, let's see what's really happening on the economic market, or sorry, fundamentals. On the fundamental side, it seems like this week is going to be enough with economic news. I see on Monday we have Bank of England. Bailey is going to speak around 8:45. Okay, it will be a bit late. So Tuesday we have CPI from Canada. Very good, actually. Very, very, very good. I see another minutes from US. I think it will be late, but that will actually move the market. So Wednesday, unemployment claims. Oh, unemployment claims moved to Wednesday. I thought it's mostly it was on Thursdays. We have so much stuff going on, but some they are just useless. So Thursday, PMI. This is going to be full of that this week. So there's nothing much. So besides that, let's go straight to our daily analysis. You know, I forgot to show people that we also smash oil. I think it was Thursday or Wednesday. I did send this oil, and it was like seriously very quick. So we just did it there and get out very quick. So I just wanted to show you that we did have some nice trades actually on oil, US oil, not gold. So it seems like the market is going back there. It will be a very nice sell again if it respects this resistance. You can see that we have that resistance. So the market actually might continue going even lower. Yeah, this is just a warm-up actually. So don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. And what else? What else did we eat? We were eating AUD, USD before it pushes to the upside. Not USD, but USD CAD before it pushes lower also. So we were eating almost on all the pairs that I have sent. So what's really happening on DXY, dollar index? What's really happening? Yes, you can see that the market was on a very nice bullish momentum. Very nice bullish momentum before. We were flying. This showed the strength of the dollar. The dollar was very, very strong. If you check any pair, that time when DXY was pushing up, it means even the dollar index, it was pushing up. So, or let me rephrase that. The time DX dollar index was pushing up, if you check other pairs, which they were going with the dollar, most of them, they were suffering because the dollar was very strong. So, but after we broke out of that uptrend, we start to see some relief. Now we see the market is trying to do what? To push the lower side. And it seems like the market will continue like that because we saw the market playing games during the day. around this area, guess what? Now the market is continuing pushing lower. Maybe on Monday, which is tomorrow, we will get the market a bit lower. So which means the likes of the Nasdaq and gold, the other ones, they will be pushing to the upside. I hope you see that. So let's push to the next one. Let's push to the next one, which is actually JPY. Smashed this already. You can see previously it was pushing lower, very nice. This trend I've been talking about it for quite some time. So we broke out. We have a very nice breakout there. Let me just do it like that. So that breakout, you can see that now the market wants to create something like that. And if it creates something like that, obviously it means that we will see a very nice bullish momentum. We want to see the market pushing up because we're no longer on that downtrend. Downtrend was like done around this area. We actually done with that around that time. So what's really happening now? I'm expecting to see a very nice bullish momentum, but we've been buying. So here I'm expecting maybe a smaller consolidation before we see another push to the upside. That's what I see. I hope you see that also. So a nice bullish momentum can actually work in our favor, but we're already eating there. If you're part of the team, you know what I'm talking about. So that's why we say you can join the team. So let's push to the next one. I'm trying to be as quick as possible, guys. I'm trying to be as quick as possible. GBPUSD, you can see there. You can see there. GBPUSD, it was pushing down very nice for quite some time. It was a very nice downtrend. We had a very nice breakout. You can see we had a very nice breakout. The market came back to retest. Now the market wants to do what? Continue on that new trend, which is going to be what? An uptrend. So let me just remove this because I don't really want to make this chart with full of like indicators all over the place. So what we have here is we have a structure like this. This signal was sent, I think it's Friday, but the market took time to push the upside. You can see there. So the market took time to push the upside, but you can see that we had a very nice structure there. It's quite similar to here if maybe you were using this actually diagonal as a resistance. Once the breakout, you can buy. Once the breakout, you can actually buy. So what we see here is we start to see that continuation of a trend. So something like that might happen, and that is going to be a very nice uptrend. So we are not looking for any sell, we're just going to look for those buy positions. It's still very early for this trend, but one way or another the market will end up creating a very nice support that we can end up using like that. I hope you see what I'm trying to show you there. And just keep it simple. You don't really have to complicate things, guys. As long as you understand what's really happening on the market, as long as you understand the trends, breakouts, those are the key points of the market. So now we are on Euro USD. We're not going to talk about this downtrend. The market has been going down for quite some time. We talked about that for maybe a month or two. Now we have a breakout. Why do we see these breakouts happening left and right? Because the dollar is losing that momentum, so it gives the other pairs enough room to do what? To move to the upside or to gain some strength, because the dollar has been just pressing them on their neck. So now the dollar is just chilling, so now everyone can just go up until that day when it comes back again. We will see them fly. You see, so what's really happening now is we saw a breakout, very nice one. Now we see a nice push to the upside. This was that time of CPI. Things were bad for the US. We were waiting for a breakout here. You can see that. So breakout happened. It means we were supposed to have a buy pending order ready because the market might push to the upside again. But don't just expect the market to fly. Obviously, the market might create something like that before pushing to the upside. S is something that the market mostly will actually do. So yeah, I think it's quite straightforward. I can't say much here, but the trend is not really clear. The market is still on that bullish momentum. So one way or another, the market will end up coming back and we will have a better structures. So now the structures or the support area, they're still premature. So maybe next week we're going to have something, but now we are just running on this breakout and the market is still flying. What's really happening? What's really happening on gold? Gold was doing the opposite. It was supposed to be pushing to the upside, but no, it's just doing its thing. So, but what's really happening? What's really happening? The market is now reversing a little bit. If you still remember, it was pushing up. Gold, it was pushing up. So I think maybe it's time to remove that. The market is found some sort of a support there. Now it's pushing to the upside. Instead of the market breaking this resistance, it seems like the market will be reversing. But we need to get some proper structures. So the proper structure now is going to be this area. Do you see that area? You see this area? So the market was creating something like that. Do you see that? So there is a chance for the market to break that. If it doesn't really break, it means we're gonna see the market continuing with that structure, because you can see that on top the market has been slowly creating higher lows, and actually it makes sense. It makes sense. You can see that it's actually going down. So which means we might end up having a proper down trend. But we will wait and see. If the market breaks this support or previous resistance, then we can say, yes, it's time for us to do what, to look for that sell. If not, the market might respect this point and still push to the upside. That is also possible. So tomorrow we're going to get some fresh analysis again. So today we just have to do our weekly analysis. Maybe tomorrow we're going to get some nice moves. What's really happening on US or US30? US30, it was previously, it was on a very nice down trend. The market was going down, boom, breakout. So the market now is pushing to the upside, which means we are looking for that bullish momentum. We're expecting to see the market pushing to the upside. So the market played around, I don't know if the market did touch that. Yeah, it seems like the market did touch that, because we actually have a nice, let me just push it like that, so that this thing doesn't really just touch us and go back. So we have a very nice push to the upside. This was a breakout. Now the market is creating a sort of ranging structures there. The market is just ranging. So it means we're just waiting for the market to do its thing. We're waiting for the market to do its thing. What I'm talking about is whether the market wants to go back and retest before we buy, or maybe the market will end up breaking this resistance. We can see the market is going there slower. So it means we need to be safe, because it just touches us and go back, touches us and go back. And when you check, it's actually a ranging. So we will wait for the market to break here proper. Then we can jump on that buy, because we're no longer on that downtrend. I hope you see that. I hope you see that. Please don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. If you want to join our Patreon, where you get some exclusive stuff, check my link. You will get the Patreon account and get some exclusive content there. And for those who want to be part of the team, you have your own, guys, your own time to give yourself some discount. So if you don't really have the full price here, you can just discount yourself with what you can afford. Just WhatsApp me. You can scan this and WhatsApp me. Then we can take it from there. WhatsApp number is here, or check the link in the description. You will find my WhatsApp link. So let me know. So I'm extending this actually because we have so many people, guys, who actually want to join and they don't really have full amount, right? So but when you do the discount, guys, try to be fair, because obviously I'm trying to meet you halfway, so we can meet each other halfway, so that I can give you proper service. So don't just say I have $2. That won't make sense, right? So let's push the rate to Nasdaq. What's really happening on Nasdaq? What's really happening on Nasdaq? I'm trying to be as quick as possible. So on Nasdaq, quite straightforward structure. The market was going down. Let me just go maybe on a daily. Maybe you will see this very nice. On a daily time frame, you can see that the market was on a very nice structure. The market was going down very nice. You see that? So after that, we had this breakout. Obviously, where we are now is still very early after this breakout. So we might have some sort of reversals before we see a continuation to the upside. But we are confident that yes, the market broke out. So what's really happening now is you can see the market is just consolidating there. So we're just waiting for the market to break out. Then we can go on that buy again. So if you check there, you can see we have quite similar structure to what we saw on US30. The market is ranging here. The market is ranging, but here it's much better. It's much better. It's clearer. On the same structure or line or zone. So it seems like the market will be going back, trying to retest. We can wait for that, maybe tomorrow or maybe Tuesday. We're gonna wait for that to see if maybe we're gonna have a retest here or maybe even below that. If not, maybe the market will be trying to break that and start to do what? To push to the upside. But there's nothing much we can do because the market is not actually moving. But the best thing that you can do is, for you, if you don't really want to miss whatever that we do in here, don't forget to subscribe, smash the notification button so that every time when I post, you're going to get the notification. Plus, we resumed with the live sessions. Unfortunately, sometimes we end up getting some load shedding exactly around the time where we need to go live. But just know that we resumed with our live sessions and we go live before, let's say 30 minutes before the market open, US market open. So thank you very much. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button. So for those who want to scan this QR code, you can just pause the video and then you can talk to me. So thank you very much. This is Kenzo, Xtrahot Forex. See you on the next one. Bye.